You gonna come walk to Mom? Yeah. Beep, beep. Good job. Oh, and you're walking on the carpet. Yeah. Now where are you gonna go?
I'm gonna walk like this.
Let me turn it around for you. Let's turn it this way. And walk some more. Come on up. It's fun to push crawling too, isn't it? Careful, Blake. Tyler, you gonna walk? Walk for your movie. Come on up. Whoa, it's fast to crawl. You come on up. Hey, buddy. You say hi. Hi. Are you ready to walk again? Okay, come on. Come to Mom. Whoa. I better move out of the way. I'm going to get my toes run over. Hey, what are you doing? To get that sun out of your eyes. Here we go. You gonna walk this way? Watch out, here goes Tyler running. Son is crawling. I don't think he knows how to do red light.
Red light! I did red.
Say bye to the camera.
Bye, camera.